Why does your scanner show the P2228 engine code? What does it mean? P2228 is a diagnostic trouble code for barometric pressure sensor a circuit low. P2228 engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a low reference voltage from the barometric pressure sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty barometric pressure sensor, wiring issues, mechanical malfunction, engine control module issue, altitude. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Mazda, Honda, and more. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.